The buffer tool in Johnson County Online Mapping allows you to do a variety of things. First, it will allow you to buffer one or more parcels, or to buffer a line, point, or polygon that you've drawn on the map. So if you want to identify on a parcel, you'd first need to select it. In this case, I'm going to use the Identify tool, make sure that Parcels is selected, and click on a parcel on the map. The parcel will be highlighted in blue, meaning that it's selected. From here, I can use the Buffer tool, which defaults to 200 feet, and I'm going to leave it at that. You have the option to select parcels within the buffer, which is actually going to highlight all of the surrounding parcels in blue that would be affected by your buffer, and it will also draw a buffer ring. Because I logged in with a MyAIMS account, I have the ability to access situs address, owner name, owner address, and city, state, zip, land use, and zoning for the parcels within the buffer. General public who do not have a MyAIMS account would not have this ability. When I hit go, it's going to draw my buffer ring, select the parcels that are affected, and show you those on the map, as well as return you a window that includes all that information that you selected, including situs address, owner name, and owner address. You also have the ability to download a link, which is a CSV file that will contain all of this information that you can then use for mailing labels. Again, this is restricted to MyAIMS users. Now, if I wanted to buffer a point, line, or polygon, I'm going to first clear my map and use the tool to draw a point, line, or polygon. It works the same for all three, so I'm just going to go ahead and buffer a line. If I needed to buffer along the center line, I would draw my line first. Now that I've got a line drawn, I'll use the buffer tool again. 200 feet is fine. I'm going to leave the same choices and hit go. You'll notice it draws the buffer around the line that I've drawn, and again highlights those parcels and returns the window with the information with the download link. Again, that buffer tool would work the same way if I wanted to draw a polygon or a point as well. So if I did draw a polygon here, I can use my buffer tool, hit go, and it's going to buffer that shape that I've drawn and return the same information.